Oh yeah. What are we doing today?
Fishing.
Okay. Let's have a little look, see how busy we are up here. It's looking alright. You get a choice, maybe. Right. So, should we'll pitch up on the corner here?
I won't be able to
Right,
get
let's do this. Go. Just set them up. Some more of these bad boys. Should we have a red one, Charlie? Charlie, you can get your little fingers in there and get that red one there.
Can I stop?
Are your maggots alive? How old are they? You want to replace them, they don't look like they're doing much. Put 2 or 3 on there as well. Change the colours. Do you see it, Ollie?
Yeah.
Just let them calm down a minute. Let them calm down.
Oh, that's a big one, Daddy.
Okay, right, keep the rod still then. Well done, Charlie. Somehow.
I did it, Daddy. He got it in his nostril.
Oh yeah. Put in. Keep the
Put your finger in his mouth.
Your finger in his mouth.
It's like his dum-dum. Okay.
Charlie, keep that down because it's got a hook on it. Keep that down because it's got a hook on it. Right, swap the nollie.
I'd put it in the water.
2 hands. Do you want to put it in the water? You gonna hold it?
No.
It feels like jelly, like it's got slimy jelly on it. You feel it?
Oh, that's jelly.
Right, we'll pop it back in the water gently.
Face
You're lowering down. Oh, oh, oh. That'll do, that'll do. There she goes. That's it.
Wow.
Well done, Charlie. Pull that one in.
Okay, I got
Okay.
it then.
Go and put them in then. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Right, put them on the side then, back up. Put them on the side. Let's have a look. Put them down here. Put them down here, that's it. This fish looks like it's giving up. Oh, look at this little fish. There's the maggot there, look. It's a nice looking fish, Ollie. Leave in the comments section below if you know what the names of all these fish are, because we are kind of amateurs. We enjoy fishing. This is catch and release, obviously.
I've caught.
Okay, the hook's out. You want your fish? You got it?
I've caught. Do you think this could chew my off?
No, he's got no teeth. So I put my finger in there just to check. And then there's a finger. There's a fish. Ah! No, it's alright. It hasn't got any teeth.
Let's see.
Right, put him back in the water.
But
But they do breathe in water, so you want to put him back as quick as we can. There he goes.
Do you need some of this? Oh, that was.
No, thank you. Got another tither. It's a small one for you, Charlie.
Toys. Toysy.
We've got the hook.
Can I let?
Floor then. Put him on the floor because he's away from the hook now. He's actually off the hook. I want to see you pick this up and put him back, Chop.
I'm going to put it away with my net.
No, you're not going to just hold him.
No.
Look at that.
No, I am not doing it. Put it on my net.
You give him a kiss. Shall we give him a kiss? Where's his? Where's
You
his?
first.
Mwah.
Put him in my net.
Put him in your net. Okay, come on then. Pop him in for me.
You can go now. Actually, I'm going to catch you now.
Well done. Thanks. Well done, Charlie. Okay, we got one.
Shall I bring it out?
Yeah, bring it up in the net.
Oh, this is quite heavy.
Quite heavy, and put him on the side. That's it. Well done, Charlie. Oh, that's it.
Okay.
Oh, he's a
Okay,
wiggler, isn't he?
got it. Get him. Okay. Camera, I got it. You get him.
Oh, he's a strong one. He's trying to swim. You see it?
That.
I'm going to lose him in a minute.
Yeah.
Right, let's just get this hook out.
Yes.
Oh, it's difficult to... Where's the hook? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You hold the camera up so we can see what we're doing. Head first. Ready? There he goes. Well done, Charlie. Ollie's got a bite. Keep yours dangling, Chop. Hold on, Ollie.
Further right. Further right.
Bring him up here then.
Further right.
Okay, you want to put your... Oh, Christ, he's a tough one.
Is he?
Yeah, I'm going to pull the hook out.
Oh,
Bring your rod back towards you a little bit. That's it, put your rod down. That's it, you're going to get the hook out. Still got all the bait on there, look.
Yeah.
Well done.
Wow.
You got him? You see which way it goes?
Oh, I lost my bait.
Well done.
There, can you
Yep.
some more bait?
Right, Ollie, you want to take your fish?
It's
Got
a
it?
big one. Yeah, I got it. I caught a bigger one.
Well done, baby. That's a good one.
Well, I caught a bigger one than you.
It's all about size.
I'll check. Not broken.
No teeth.
teeth.
No teeth, see? No teeth. They're not going to hurt you. They're not like barracuda. Right, come on in, Ollie, put them in.
See you, Johnny. I got a fish. No. N-O spells no.
Right on.
Daddy.
Another little baby. Oh, this is so shiny. This tiny little fish has been hooked.
Little bug.
Charlie, careful you don't Right, move your net away then. That's it.
Like a little bug.
There's a little fishy fish. Looks out. It's tiny. You reckon he'll eat my finger?
Yeah.
Mm.
Kissy.
Right, sort your net out, Charlie. It's inside out. Okay. Okay, right, ready? Oh, pick him up, Charlie.
Oh, no, no.
That's the smallest fish we've got. Pick him up. That's the smallest one.
No.
Pick it up.
No.
Get your net. Do something with it.
Okay.
Pick it up, Charlie.
No.
Come on, use your hands. Charlie, that's terrible.
I don't like touching fish.
Why? Don't wave him around. Whoa, Ollie's pulled one in again. Keep on holding him in there, Chop.
That's not the same fish.
Keep your rod in.
Okay, no, get it. Okay, don't hold the rod. Okay, go on. Go on. Oh, Charlie.
Well done, Chop. Can't do two at a time. Right, floor. That's it.
No. You don't go.
Okay.
Ah!
Okay. Right, another 2 seconds.
That was sick. Come on, Charlie. Can I hold
Whoa,
it?
what's your hook?
Come on, the hook
Yeah,
out.
yeah, right, it's hooks out, Charlie. Hooks out. Double fishers. Oh, they're different types. 2 different types of fish. Leave in the
Can I
comments
hold
and
it?
description below. Don't kiss them together. Let's have a look at your fish. Don't do that. Let's have a look at your fish. Look at the colours. So you can see. Oh.
No.
Charlie, you going to take yours?
No.
Oh, you can hold this. It's the biggest fish
No.
you've ever held.
No.
Come on, I'll be really proud of you if you do. Come on.
I don't want to get
Did
slime.
It won't get slimy. You've got a glove on. Go on, hold him
No.
before he swims. Alright, okay. It's not yucky, it's a beautiful fish. There he goes.
I'll hold on it.
Well done, Charlie. Bring him in. Oh my gosh, Charlie. Bring him in, put him on the side, down. That's it, Charlie. Down. Well done, Charlie. Oh my gosh, back up a little bit,
Oh.
That could be the biggest fish of the day, Charlie. Well done, Ollie. Woohoo! Yeah! Pop him
That
up.
hurt my ribs.
Right, pop him down the grass then.
That hurt my...
Well done, Charlie. High five.
I could have been sick of that.
Yeah? Right.
That's like a
You
big
got the hook
old
out already?
catfish.
Look at that. Stand next to each other then, let's have a look. Well done, boys. That's brilliant. Well done, Charlie. I can't believe you just... That's the biggest one today.
Check if it has teeth.
So, check if it has teeth, see if it's going to eat my finger. Nom nom nom. Oh. Right, back in you go. What is the fascination of... Ollie, they live in the water, remember?
Yeah, I know.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Little kiss.
Oh, do
Hold
it.
on.
Yes. We're going home. We're going home now. No, we're going home, aren't we, Daddy?
Well done. Yours has got bait on it, Charlie.
Right.
Yeah, go on, here you go.
Okay. In I go.
Oh, I think Ollie's got one. Ollie's got a big one. That's a big one. Right, drop your rod down then.
Look at that.
It's a nice one.
It's a big one too. Oh, it's getting everywhere.
He wants to get back in the water, doesn't he?
No.
Oh, he's off. He's off the line. He's off the hook. He's off the hook. Pick him up. Pick him up.
No,
Charlie.
big one.
Charlie's got to come into it. Ollie, get your fish.
This is crazy.
Okay.
No. Look at my fish. This is pretty long as well. Get it, Ollie. Grab it by the tail.
Hold the camera then up. Here's your fish, look. Nice sized fish.
No. Yeah.
Ollie's still struggling with his.
Yeah, mine's so big.
Come here. Look, there's the other one.
The real last time, Daddy. One more last time.
Okay. Okay, slimy hands.
Okay. Don't you dare touch me.
You got one, Chop?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's quite a fussy one.
A fluffy one, did you say?
A fluffy. Wait,
Oh, it's off the hook. It's off the hook already.
Get it.
I got it.
I got some
Another
more.
nice looking fish.
Can someone put some more bait in?
You don't. Oh, right, you've got.
Oh, get that.
There she goes.
Ollie, shoot. Okay. Oh, you were gonna get my one then. Can someone put some bait in for me?
There's bait there, Charlie.
I can't reach it. Ollie, can you put some bait for me? Oh, really?
Right, remember to try and get it on the side.
You got my one.
Get him up, Ollie. It's a good sized fish. Now walk him back a little bit. Try not to pull him too far out of the water. That's it.
Can someone put some bait in?
Hold up.
He's still on there. Honestly,
Back him up then.
he's not that big. But yeah, I'll do it.
Right, back him up then. You can step backwards. That's it.
Nice one.
That's a really nice one.
What do I keep getting? Put some bait. Do you want mine? Ollie,
On this one. That's quite a chunky one.
Ollie, can you throw some bait in?
Well done.
Ollie, can you throw some?
Some bait. Yummy maggots.
No. Johnny, look. No.
Oh, Jimmy!